21 and 85 hundredths divided by 5. When I divide, I use does McDonald's sell burgers? And this kind of helps me keep track of all my steps. And now I always take my decimal and just move it on up so that I don't forget about it. The decimal always, when we're dividing, goes just straight up. Everything stays in line, in its place value. So first, my first step is for dividing. How many times does 5 go into 2? It doesn't evenly, so it's going to stay a 0, or in my case, I'm going to just keep it blank. So how many times does 5 go into 21? 5 goes into 21 4 times, so I'm going to take a 4 and I'm going to place that right on top of that 1. So now I've divided. Next, it's time for me to multiply. 4 times 5 is 20. Done multiplying. Time for me to subtract. 21 minus 20 equals 1. 5 obviously cannot go into 1, so I need to bring this 8 on down. And now it's time for me to go all the way back up at the beginning and do it all over again. How many times does 5 go into 18? 3 times. Done dividing. Time for me to multiply. 3 times 5 is 15. Time for me to subtract. 18 minus 15 equals 3. 5 cannot go into 3, so I need to bring this 5 down. And it's time for me to go all the way back up again. 35 divided by 5 is 7. So you take that 7 and put it right on top of that 5. Time for me to multiply. 7 times 5 is 35. Time for me to subtract. 35 minus 35 is 0. So that means I'm done. There's no other numbers that I need to bring down. I am done. 21 and 85 hundredths divided by 5 is 4 and 37 hundredths.